My guess is the only time you've heard about the term stacking is when your kids ask whether they could pile on the pancakes or whether you've had a layered cake of some kind. The reality is that term has huge legal implications in the world of auto insurance. What do I mean? Well, when you have your own auto insurance, not only do you purchase protection in the event that you strike someone else, but you also have the ability to buy protection in the event you're hit by someone who doesn't have adequate coverage or is irresponsible and has no insurance coverage whatsoever. Those coverages are called uninsured motorists and underinsured motorists. And the secret about those coverages is, in addition to purchasing, if you have more than one auto in your household, you have the ability to stack those coverages one on top of another. That's called the stacking option. Every insurer who writes in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania must give you the option to stack your insurance coverage in that fashion. There's a form that you have to sign to waive that coverage. That's called a stacking waiver. We suggest that such a form never be signed, and instead you elect stacking whenever you can, and here's the reason why. Because that gives you substantial additional coverage in the event you're involved in an accident when you need that coverage the most. You can multiply the coverage you have for under or uninsured motorist protection by the number of vehicles you have, such that in the event that you're in a crash, the party that hits you doesn't have enough coverage or has zero coverage. If you have 3 vehicles with $100,000 each, you can multiply that coverage times 3 and end up with $300,000. And you ask what the cost is, it's negligible compared to what the benefit is when you have additional insurance coverage for yourself and your family at a time when you need it the most. If you need answers to questions about underinsured motorist coverage, stacking, uninsured motorist coverage and stacking, I'm Tim Lenahan from the firm of Lenahan and Dempsey. Feel free to call us. We do this every day.